Good morning. I'm Candy Thigpen, and I'm going to share with you what I have learned about acrylic paint pouring. So I've got some of the items that you need here. Here's some water. You need some cups and some different color paints. Today I'm using Sargent Art paint. It's just acrylic craft paint. I've got yellow, blue, green, and then also have white, and you need Floetrol. You also will need like a small digital scale, and I'm going to pour on a tile today, so you need that too. So I'm going to show you today how to measure out the ingredients in each of the paint colors. So I've got most of them already done, and I've got a little recipe for you. So what you do is you do 2 ounces, 0.2 ounces of Floetrol, 0.2 ounces of paint, 0.2 ounces of water, and 5 to 6 drops of silicone. Now I don't put the silicone in the white, and I kind of alternate between water, no water in each color, and maybe silicone in one, not silicone in another. You can decide that and kind of play with that and see what you want. So I've got them all measured but one color, and I want to show you what I do here. So what I do is I zero out my scale with my cup on it. Let's see if it's going to work. Yes. Okay, so we got it zeroed out, and we're going to put 2.2 ounces of Floetrol. If you get a little over, it's okay. Okay, so there's 0.2. So 0.2 plus 0.2 is 0.4. There's 0.4. Now you want to stir it at this point. Okay, now I want to add water, 0.2 ounces of water. So that's going to bring us up to 0.6. There we go. Now stir it again. And now you need silicone. I'm going to put about 6 drops of silicone in this one. Okay. And just kind of mix it up just a little bit. Now I think we're ready because I have the other colors already mixed. So this is called the dirty pour technique. And what I'm going to do, just so the paint will float easily, I want to pour a little bit of white on there before I do the cup. And put some in my cup. And put some of each color. Those color combinations, to me, they don't look very pretty when you look at them like that. but they start mixing once you pour them on. I do have a plate underneath the tile to catch the excess. Sometimes you can use that over. Put a little more white on top. Okay, so the more dense the paint is, the denser the paint, it will sink to the bottom. White is very dense, so normally it will sink to the bottom. If you put less water in one, it'll make it more dense than the others. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Can see it working. I'm just going to slide this cup before I remove it. How cool is that? See the inside of the cup? It looks pretty neat too. So we see some of those little cells. I'm just going to move it around a little. I'm going to add some blue over here. Whoops. That was a lot of blue. You can use your stick to make it move. Look, I just messed it up. I just like how that blue looked over there. You want to get it to move all the way over the edges. Of course, your hands are going to get dirty. Have any over here. You hear Larry? He's talking to us. He's laying at my feet. You can't see him. So what I'm trying to do is just get those corners covered and the edges. I'm going to take my stick and see if I can make some kind of cell motion there. Oh, and if you choose not to put silicone in all of them, then you probably want to label the cup to let you know which ones have silicone, which ones don't, or if you put water in some and not others, label that. Okay, I really like how that looks. I'm just gonna use the torch to see if it will create any more cells. I kind of hate to because it looks pretty cool the way it is. But here it goes. I'm just lightly doing it. It's not doing very much. I saw a few pop up, but I kind of like it the way it is. Okay, well that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and have a blessed day.